Hello children, today we will be seeing subject EVS 2 and our chapter is Life on the Earth. Now, first we will see about the topics, that is formation of the earth, beginning of life on the earth and animal world on the earth. So, let's begin. There are some questions we all wonder about, like how did the earth on which we live come to be? How did the earth formed? When did it happen? These all things we do think that how these all changes has been exactly. Yes, how are these changes formed? So let us see that how the earth has been formed. Some scientific research is believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. Enormous means very big and spinning means to rotate. Very big, huh? Enormous. Now, its circular motion and great speed caused it to divide into several portions, thus creating the sun and the planets which revolve around the sun. The planets revolve around the sun. Now, how many planets are there? We have to see that. There are total 8 planets. Let us see the names of that. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, now we will start with the second topic. And what is that? Beginning of life on the earth. The earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. That means on earth. Only on earth we can find living being. After the formation of the earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down. 80 crore years to cool down the earth and for water bodies to be formed on it. It is believed that various kinds of unicellular organism or living thing first appeared in water. Now, what is unicellular organism? With one cell. Okay. They are known as protozoa. Gradually, multicellular living things develop from these unicellular ones. Now, can you see the picture of protozoa? Yes, they are unicellular. Now, these are what? What I said, multicellular living things develop from these unicellular ones. Now, the protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. So, what we have to use? We need a microscope to see them. Can you see the picture of microscope? Yes. A unicellular organism can be seen through a microscope. It looks like the picture it has been shown. Now we will start with the next topic, world of animal on the earth. The living world on the earth consists of animals and plants. There are various number of plants and animals on earth. Some are domestic, some are wild. Domestic means which we keep at our home and wild means which we cannot keep at our home. Now we will see about the characteristics of animals. Animals breathe. All living things breathe. We need oxygen to breathe. Yes or no? So even animals breathe. Now second is what? Animals move in order to get food or for other purpose. If they feel hungry, they have to search for food. Next, third one, animals of some species lay eggs. Can you see the picture of eggs? Yes, the young ones come out from the egg. Animals of some other species give birth to their young ones. Okay, in the picture you will be seeing like tiger and the cub. Yes, these all animals, they give birth to their young ones. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson. So we should take care of earth. Earth is also our mother. We should take care of earth so as earth will take care of all living beings. Thank you.